if I can wear this. I made this really cute little bra top. Literally half of my big toe is fully cracked. Hey guys, my name is Isabelle Yoo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, I truly don't understand how EDC is next freaking weekend. I honestly don't know. I'm stressing out. I think I should be stressing a little bit more than I am because I only have one outfit that I bought online. And then the other two I'm DIYing, and guess what? Yep, I haven't started. In this video, I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me on everything that I do to prep for EDC. This is my 5th year going, which is actually insane to think about. I've been going ever since I was 18, which is so crazy. I think there were a couple years where we didn't go because of COVID, but other than that, I think I went every single year. I think I like EDC a little bit more than Coachella, if I'm being honest, just because I love EDM, I love rave music, and a lot of my friends do too. So all in all, it's just a really fun time. I'm probably gonna go to Vegas in a couple days too to make sure my place is clean because I'm having guests from Wednesday nights, and then Thursday we're going to the parade, EDC Friday, EDC Saturday, EDC Sunday, and then probably just recovering. But of course, I did some shopping. This is literally only my first order. I got some stuff off of Amazon and I already opened this Dolls Kill package because I was way too excited for when my things came. I did place another order that's going straight to my place in Vegas, and then I think I might have to place one more Amazon order. But anyways, let me show you guys what I ordered from Dolls Kill. I got 3 different things because honestly I wasn't really sure how the sizing works. It was actually my first time ordering from them. Surprisingly, I tried everything on and of course I put it back in the packaging for this haul video. This is what the first little blue set that I got. Did that even make any sense? This is the first blue little set that I got. I didn't know that it was sparkly online, but it's so cute. It just has this like sparkly star in the middle, these like little ruffles, and I love this color. This is my favorite color, like this periwinkle. But this was one of my options in case the other little bodysuit didn't work out. But these bottoms are so freaking cute, but they're so tiny and they're so small, like I don't know if I can wear this. I think I might have to wear like a skirt. I honestly think I might wear like a white or a blue little sarong wrap because this is the back. Like just a string. I love the little star detailing. I also have silver star clips that I might put in my hair, so this is definitely gonna be a backup option if my other stuff don't work out. The next thing that I picked up from Dolls Kill is this really cute leopard or cheetah print bodysuit. I still don't know the difference between cheetah and leopard, and if you guys do, please let me know because your girl needs some help. But it's just pink and it has all these bows across it and it's open back. I love the bottom. It's like this tutu material and it has like these little polka dots in them. The first day we are doing like animal print theme, so I feel like this would be very fitting. I did order some pink bow garters to like hook on to the bottom of these little, I don't even know what these are called, like straps. And then also to go with that, I got these pink bow fur leg warmers. Oh my god, that was literally a mouthful. And these are so cute. Like, look at how perfect these are. The shade of light pink on the bows literally match the outfit, like the bodysuit, perfectly. And I just cannot wait to wear these furry leg warmers in the desert. They literally cinch at the top of your calf so they don't slide down, which I really appreciate. This was my very first time ordering anything from Dolls Kill and I'm very impressed. It's definitely not going to be my last. Here's what's in the first Amazon package. Just a bunch of little silver jump rings with some pliers. Oh, I guess I ordered some more pliers and then some like silver links to like hook onto my bodysuit. And I got 2 pairs of pliers, so those will definitely be handy. Oh my gosh, wait, these are some nail stickers that I ordered, like chrome, I think, because I was originally planning on doing my own nails, and then Mila B was like, wait, no, I can do your nails for you. And I'm like, oh my god, thank you so much, because that honestly saved me so much time. She did these nails for me for Coachella. They're honestly so adorable. I'm so sad that I'm gonna have to take these off very soon and put on my EDC ones. These are just a set of paper clips because I'm gonna paper clip my whole entire corset. I think I'm gonna make like a headpiece and also a skirt to wrap around my waist, but Everything is TBD. I'm just gonna see what happens. Honestly, fingers crossed that everything turns out the way that I want it. I think these might be my cross charms. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so, oh shit, there we go. This set comes in literally 80 different size and different design of crosses. So I'm gonna hook these on to the paper clips and then add them like all over my black corset. Literally, how many more pliers did I order? Oh, I think some of these are like cutting pliers and then some of these are just to like bend the little jump rings. Am I even saying that correctly? But I just wanted to show you guys everything that I picked up in the first order. But I will catch up with you guys once I have another update. Update you guys, it's a couple days later. It's actually the Saturday right before EDC weekend and I am so stressed. I have so much anxiety right now. I literally feel like I have 1,000 things to do before EDC weekend, but last night I took off my Coachella nails and then I applied these ones. I don't know if you guys can see because the lighting is actually trash. It's so overexposed. Okay, I think this is the best that you guys are gonna see for now, but I'll add some photos or show you guys once the lighting is a little bit better. Shout out Mila B Nails for once again slaying my sets. I literally haven't done my own set this whole entire year because my bestie is a nail tech and she's freaking amazing. Here are what the nails look like. I seriously don't know how she did this like silver chrome pattern, but honestly these nails are way better than the inspo pic that I showed her. We decided to do pink chrome nails. No, not chrome, I keep saying chrome. Pink cat eye nails with silver chrome on the top. You guys can definitely see the nails much better from this lighting, but I just made it to K-Town. I'm going to Solo Nail. I'm actually here right now waiting for my appointment. It's my first time ever going there, but I saw really good reviews, so I'm gonna get my toes done because literally half of my big toe is fully cracked. Like, I don't even know how that happened. Probably a night out in Vegas. Hopefully, fingers crossed that she can do funny bunny on my toes, even though it's like half broken and my appointment is literally in 5 minutes. So I should go inside, but just wanted to give you a quick little nail update. I'm truly obsessed. And if you guys are not following Mila B Nails, please go support and like her content because she's my bestie and I'm just so proud of her for starting her own business. But anyways, I'll see you guys inside. I cannot wait. Hopefully this pedicure calms my nerves and my energy and my stress levels because your girl is going through it. Okay, here we are at Solo Nail. Let's see how they do on my toes. Update you guys, it's a couple days later. It's currently Wednesday, EDC week, and I feel like I can calm down a little bit just because I have all of my outfits laid out now. I was stressing so bad, but thank God I'm finally in Vegas. This whole pile is basically all of my pool party outfits, like some bikini tops, a see-through mesh top, some jorts, another bikini with a cover-up, some other bikinis, and my little fit that I'm gonna wear to Hotel EDC on day one. I use all of these little bags and packing cubes to differentiate what item goes per what day. I have another packing cube for my day one outfit, day two outfit, and then day three outfit right here, which I will get to. But my brain is so much clearer now that I have everything laid out and I can see it all in front of me so I don't forget anything. This is my day one outfit. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this hot pink skirt, but I won't get into too much detail about my EDC outfits because I obviously want you guys to be surprised. I did DIY this black little corset top, which I think is so cute. I have little other accessories that I made with it. I didn't make this, but I did make this. Okay, fine. I will give you guys a little sneak peek. Day one is animal print, so I already showed you guys this bodysuit, I'm pretty sure. So I'm wearing this bodysuit, leg warmers, some gloves, and also this corset has these little arm cuffs, which I think add a really cute touch to it. Have some more leg warmers, and then this outfit was the most stressful out of all of these, but if you guys couldn't tell, this one is more grungy for day two, and then this is a purple butterfly. All of the girls and I are doing like a butterfly theme. This outfit was giving me so much anxiety, but I made this really cute little bra top that I just had laying in my closet. I also have some tattoos that I'm going to put on my face and my body. But this was actually my very first time DIYing a rave bra, and I'm really happy with how all of the little details turned out. And I made these little pearl beads to drape down it, added these butterflies, and I'm layering it with this sparkly little white bra underneath. I have some more leg warmers, a patch, all these other little skirt accessories, and over here is my little DIY craft corner right next to my freaking door right here. But surprisingly for this outfit, I didn't need to sew anything, which I'm so thankful for because that part was stressing me out. Luckily, everything worked out, and I'm just so happy that I can visualize and see everything laid out right here. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. But anyways, let's pack some more things together. Okay, so in this Trader Joe's bag, I just have some red Solo cups in here, some plastic cups for shots, some, what are those called? Oh, pouches, a little black Sharpie, and of course some plastic straws to bring to the event and also to pregame with. Some extra clothes for Lexi, like some white bodysuits, some black skirts and black bodysuits. Oh, and then a little colorful set right there. Some glasses if she wants to wear them, so she can try on all of these clothes and see which ones she likes or doesn't like. This little hydro backpack situation, I'm actually not going to wear this myself because it's obviously not the cutest, but it gets the job done since it has like a hydro pack in here. I do need to wash this because it's probably so gross. I don't think there's anything inside. I don't think there's water inside of the pack, but just to be extra sanitary, I need to wash that. And the little mouthpiece to it because I don't know how many dirty lips and mouths have been on this. That's actually really disgusting. And I also have some wet wipes in here. I'm also gonna bring some extra stuff. These, I think I might bring one to the event. I think I might bring one to the festival and then just keep one in the hotel room. I obviously have my little cinema roll hand sanitizer. I don't think I can bring this in to the event because they're probably gonna think it's alcohol. And I also have this little pouch just full of essentials. I have my little, what are these called, earplugs in here. We're actually going out. It's Wednesday night, you guys, and we're starting off EDC with day 00, but that will be in the next vlog, the EDC. The full EDC weekend, you guys will see that. But I have some earplugs, so I should definitely bring these tonight when we go out. Portable charger, some nail glue, a Tide pen. I have this portable fan. It's so cute that I got from Amazon. But this backpack, obviously, I'm gonna force my boyfriend to carry because it's just not cute, and he's a guy, so it doesn't matter. He can carry this. But yeah, that is basically everything that I have so far. I still need to pack my makeup and my toiletries. Update you guys, it's actually a couple hours later. I finished doing work. I finished putting all the dirty dishes in the dishwasher, throwing out the trash, did laundry, showered, curled my hair. It literally looks like George Washington curls right now because we're actually going out, so I'm waiting for my curls to simmer down and just sit. But I'm really excited. I just spit everywhere. But tonight, my friends and I are actually going to Zook to go see Ray Volpe and Adventure Club. I'm so excited. This is day 00 in our books, but all of that fun activities from EDC will definitely be in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I feel like right now I have the most energy. I'm so excited for this week to begin. I'm about to go pick up Mila B from the airport, but I just cleaned my entire place before they get here, so I want to show you guys everything that I did, and I'm just really proud of myself that I got everything done because your girl was stressed. Okay, this is what my living room situation looks like. I did laundry. I cleaned all of these blankets because Milo's fur literally gets anywhere. And pro tip, if you guys have a white couch, I always recommend just covering your cushions with a white blanket. This one my babe got me from our sorority. I also washed all of the blankets for the guest room and the master bedroom. But I wanted to show you guys these books, these coffee table books, because Lisa actually got these for me for my birthday, as well as some other goodies. But this one just says Dior, this one says YSL, and then this one on the bottom is my Chanel book, which I adore. And I got that coffee table book right when I purchased this home, so I'm so happy. And this little lavender tangerine candle. Okay, now going into the bedroom, I washed all of these sheets as well, made the bed, and I'm just so happy with my little corner right here. You can see me in the mirror and my little Alexa over there, Milo's bed. I'm honestly gonna be very straight up with you guys. I thought I was gonna go to the gym, go to some Legree or Pilates classes in this video, but I was literally stressing out so bad. I don't know what's been going on in the air recently. I know what it is. I'm about to start my period soon, so I'm extra moody, I'm extra anxious, I'm extra stressed. I'm just really happy and relieved that I got all of my outfits done. I have all of my content and video ideas planned. But anyways, I just wanted to put it out there that I feel like it's still okay to be productive and getting things done even if you're not really going to the gym or like booking your Pilates classes. I know I should have, to feel better and even look better and maybe eat healthier. But honestly, this is just the real me and what happened during EDC weekend. I was going through it honestly and I didn't have time. I literally finished DIYing and finishing up my outfits today, and it's Wednesday and the party starts tonight. Thank God, honestly, that I was able to get everything done, but I feel like I shouldn't be too hard on myself for not like going to the gym. But yeah, I'm gonna shut off this camera and start the new vlog, which I'm really excited for, and show you guys all behind the scenes of what goes down at EDC Las Vegas and also Hotel EDC, which I'm super excited to work with them this year. And yeah, I will add all of that in the next video, so stick around and stay tuned for that. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Thank you.